Hello, welcome to this Voice GT training video, courtesy of J&J Telecommunications in Galveston, Texas. Today, we will be covering how to navigate the Voice GT homepage. You will learn how to edit your personal details, configure call handling, and handle some more advanced settings such as call groups and contact lists. When you log in to the Voice GT user portal, you will be directed to this landing page. This landing page is where you will access settings such as your personal details, phones, call handling, call groups, and call records. For our purposes today, we will begin by clicking the View and Edit My Personal Details link. You can either click the orange link under My Personal Details or click on the My Personal Details button along the side menu. Regardless, you will land on the same page. From here, you can edit information such as your name, the email address associated with your account, and toggle the Click to Call and hands-free answer back features. You can also record an auto attendant prompt or set permissions based on your business hours. Next, we will cover the My Phone's Settings tab. On this page, you will be able to assign features to the memory keys on your phone. To do this, first select the model phone you will be configuring from the drop-down menu. Then, you can either choose a preset key profile from the other drop-down menu or create a custom profile. To create a custom profile, click on the key you wish to edit. When this new window appears, you can then select and label the feature associated with that key. There are a variety of features you can assign, such as Do Not Disturb, Twinning, Page, Park, or Transfer. Here's a useful tip. Assign your memory keys to the features you use most frequently. For example, Do Not Disturb. If you are frequently coming to the web portal to toggle this feature off and on, just save it to a memory key. That way, you can turn the feature on and off directly from your handset. Remember to click Save when you are satisfied. Now, we will configure your call handling settings. On this page, you can decide where you want incoming calls to go. Incoming calls can be sent to an auto attendant, a coworker, another phone number, such as your personal cell phone, or to your chosen call coverage setting. You can configure the call coverage setting at the bottom of this page. You can also toggle Do Not Disturb from this page if you don't already have this feature assigned to a memory key. This is also where you can activate Call Waiting Tone. Another feature found here is Twinning. Twinning, when active, rings your phone and another phone simultaneously. You can answer the call from either phone. A personal cell phone is the typical choice for twinning because you can still answer your work calls while you're on the go. You can check and uncheck the personal twinning and group twinning features, which we will talk about in the next section. It's important to note that the twinning target is the phone number that you'd like your handset to twin with. Remember, first type a 9 before the phone number, so the system will direct the call appropriately. Now, let's discuss call coverage. Remember in the call forwarding section where you could choose call coverage as a forwarding option? Here's where we configure that. First, you can specify the number of times you'd like the phone to ring before call coverage takes over. Then, you can choose the action the phone is to take after it has rung the designated number of times. Remember, click Save at the bottom of the page before exiting. Now, let's talk about call groups. On this page, you can view a list of call groups that you are a part of. You can see the name, extension, type, status, and whether or not twinning is enabled for each group. It's important to know that there are 5 types of call groups. Let's talk about the differences between these 5 groups. A broadcast group rings all phones in the group simultaneously. A hunt group rings the included phones in sequence. A rollover group rings the first available phone in the group. A pickup group allows any member of the group to answer any other member's incoming calls, simply by pressing their pickup key. And finally, a page group. A page group rings phones of specific page group members who are located at the same site. Next, let's head over to the My Calls page. On this page, you can view and export all incoming and outgoing calls in reverse chronological order. You can export this data by clicking here. Next, let's talk about contact lists. Within the Voice GT system, there are 3 different types of contact lists: personal, internal, and external. On the website, you can see these different lists under the Contact Lists heading. Let's run through these different types. Under personal contacts, you can add and manage your own personal contact list. These are your internal contacts within your organization. You can search this list by first or last name. Lastly, these are your external contacts. These are managed by your administrator. You can search these by name or phone number. Congratulations! You have completed this training on how to navigate your phone settings within the Voice GT web portal. If you have any additional questions, you can email our support team directly at support@jnjtelecom.com or visit us online at jnjtelecom.com. For more J&J and to stay up to date on the latest news, updates, and product releases, connect with us on LinkedIn or like us on Facebook.